Hello and welcome. Are you ready to make it super easy for your audience to save your event directly to their calendar from your HubSpot emails? Today, I'm excited to show you how to add an Add to Calendar link in just a few quick steps using CalGet. First, head over to calget.com. Have you used it before? If not, don't worry. It's incredibly simple. CalGet is a free tool that lets you generate calendar links that embed right into emails. Once you're on the website, you'll see a form ready for your event details. Let's start by creating your event. Enter the title, add a quick description, and fill in the location, date, and time. Once you've completed these fields, just click Create Event Link. Easy, right? Now you'll see the HTML code for your calendar link. Go ahead and copy it. Because we're ready to drop this into HubSpot. Head over to HubSpot's email editor. On the left, click More and select the HTML module. If you haven't used this module before, don't worry, it's simple. Just drag and drop it into your email content area, then paste the HTML code from CalGet into the box. And voila! Your Add to Calendar link is now right there in your email. Take a quick look at the preview. Does everything look perfect? Great! You're ready to send your email campaign with a built-in Add to Calendar feature. Thanks for following along. Isn't it amazing how easy it is with CalGet? Happy emailing and enjoy watching your engagement grow.